Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the do-it-yourself solar off-grid power system. I had to make a couple of changes from part 1 because it was getting a little bit too hot, and the reason why is to run an air conditioning window unit 5000 BTU, to run that, a couple of monitors, a big screen TV, the Wi-Fi, and the camera system, that this wire was getting a little bit hot. It was working within normal temperature, but just a little bit too hot. And as you can tell, look at the terminal, it's discolored. So what I did was I bought a new wire, and there's two wires right back there, as you can tell. I bought a gauge 4 wire and hooked it up to the AGM battery on the other side. So there's a 2 gauge wire on one battery, and there's a 4 gauge on the other battery. And so far so good that the shared amperage through 2 batteries, it's keeping the system very stable and much cooler. And as you can tell, it's very hot outside and the sun is very bright. And the solar charging system's still good. The supporting batteries, as you can tell, they're all used. Everything that I have is all recycled. The wires are recycled, except for the inverter, and the inverter is new. So, but it's been pretty much stable. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this helps you. Like and share if you like.